12 smart minimalist habits that will change your life. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey to simplify our lives and find joy in the essentials. These habits aren't about deprivation, they're about mindful living. By reducing waste and maintaining a clutter-free lifestyle, we create space for what truly sparks joy in our hearts. Remember, embracing minimalism is a personal journey, so take what resonates with you and leave the rest.
Does laundry day feel like an endless chore? Let's transform this into a streamlined process that sparks joy. Designate one day as your official laundry day. Gather all your laundry and commit to washing and drying everything in one go. This saves time, energy, and ensures you wash full loads, maximizing efficiency and minimizing water and energy usage.
Imagine a week where errands no longer dictate your schedule. Embrace the art of batching. Group similar tasks together, like grocery shopping or running errands, and tackle them all at once. This frees up the rest of your week for activities that truly bring you joy.
Let's talk about the heart of the home, the kitchen. Preparing meals at home is a beautiful act of self-care and a powerful way to embrace minimalism. This mindful approach to food fosters a deeper appreciation for what we consume and reduces unnecessary waste from takeout containers and packaging.
Take a moment to look around your home. Do the objects you see spark joy in your heart? Minimalism encourages us to curate our belongings, keeping only those items that we truly use and cherish. This simple act of decluttering creates a more serene and joyful living environment.
Imagine a balanced ecosystem where every inflow is met with a corresponding outflow. For every new item that enters your life, commit to letting go of one old item. This mindful practice prevents clutter from accumulating and ensures that your belongings remain in alignment with your current needs and values.
Have you ever noticed the beauty of your surroundings when you slow down and truly observe? Embrace alternative modes of transportation like walking or biking. This reduces your carbon footprint and saves money on fuel. These small changes can have a significant impact on your well-being and the environment.
Imagine a closet filled with clothes you love, each piece carefully chosen and ready to be worn. Creating a minimalist wardrobe is about simplifying your choices and investing in quality pieces that stand the test of time. Imagine the ease of getting dressed in the morning when every item in your closet is both stylish and functional.
In a world of constant consumption, let's pause and ask ourselves, do we really need another gadget, another outfit, or another knick-knack? Before making a purchase, consider if it truly adds value to your life, or if it's simply another item that will clutter your space. This mindful approach to consumption allows us to appreciate what we have and prevents unnecessary waste.
Imagine a world where items are made to last, crafted with care and built to withstand the test of time. Invest in well-made, durable items that will serve you for years to come. This not only saves money in the long run, but also reduces waste generated by constantly replacing cheaply made goods.
Imagine the peace of mind that comes from knowing where your money is going and having a plan for your finances. Creating a budget isn't about restriction, it's about aligning your spending with your values and priorities. This newfound financial awareness empowers you to make conscious choices that support your minimalist lifestyle.
Just as nature goes through cycles of renewal, so too can our homes benefit from regular decluttering. Make it a habit to declutter your home each season. Imagine the sense of clarity and calm that comes from a well-organized home, a sanctuary where every item has its place.
Imagine a home where clutter doesn't stand a chance, where small tasks are tackled with efficiency and grace. The 1-minute rule. If a task takes less than a minute to complete, do it immediately. These small acts, when done consistently, prevent clutter from accumulating and maintain a sense of order in your home.
Thank you for joining me on this journey to explore the transformative power of minimalist habits. If you found these tips helpful, Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content on living a more intentional and fulfilling life. See you in the next video, where we'll delve deeper into the art of mindful living and discover new ways to simplify, declutter, and find joy in the everyday.